Queen Ifrica going after Romeich and Swiss Lee to her personal battles with her father, plus Protoge dropping new music and tackling the struggles in Jamaica. So, let's dive into these topics one by one and break it all down. I'm excited to hear your thoughts, so make sure to share them in the comments below. Queen Ifrica's fiery live chat. She went live and didn't hold back when calling out both Romeich and Swiss Lee. She accused them of promoting a shaky agenda and even suggested that Swiss Lee's controversial fashion choices, like wearing a shirt with an upside-down cross, might have played a role in World Dog's demise. It was intense. She also took a strong stance against Romeich, calling him out for what she called his sodomite ambassador behavior and accusing him of not caring about Jamaica. Queen Ifrica didn't stop there. She went further, saying many Jamaican figures have sold their souls for money and don't prioritize God. She even singled out Junelle Bromfield, saying greed led her down the wrong path. So, what do you think? Do you agree with Queen Ifrica's bold claims about Romeich, Swiss Lee, and others? Or is she going too far?
It is alleged for right now that Bill Gates have shares in D&G. It is alleged. Seeing, I want the item to understand that they are using you guys as experiment. Nobody love you so much to get up every day and fry all of these chicken, you know. You notice one of the youth when named Lulu we come with Swiss Lee them at the party where him say them go to the river and him couldn't understand. Everybody was eating chicken. What this gonna make them do, no Jamaican people? Them use food and change the DNA. Them use food and drinks and trick no. And now you no know no self no more. You no know no self no more. Because them have no where them want to know. And that's why Romeich them, me tell, Foota say I wrong side, him a bad for him now. Listen me, you know. Because if him think say, them the people where him line up over there so, a cheer for. Any better than these way and them way out. He make a sad mistake in a people. We up against two different type of devil. One leaving and one coming in. Seeing? Now is the time for Jamaican people tell the world say it's not all we down here give his soul to the devil. Is not every Jamaican give them soul. I don't have nothing to prove to no one anymore, you know. Because it was not about proving anything to anyone, you know. It was about standing up and knowing, say, there is a country where deserve a little bit more than is given to it by all of these people who claim that they love Jamaica so much. You see, you Jamaicans in the diaspora, is a reason why they scattered you out there. Is a reason they know that a people without a country is not a nation. So them just go have no out there and drain no out under slavery, no have no head pound, no body, no know what to do with yourself. That's why when you sit down on TikTok and indulge in these little devil where them put up there for that. The very reason for distract you from God, for telling you say you can wrong and strong, you can do as you like and be as you like, you can be anything and be a star. Because that is what it means to be a star. Don't strive to be a star, man. Strive to be a change maker. And a change maker for a positive reason. Show people say you did depressed, but now you do something better with your life and you try to help people along with you. The whole of you come on Swiss Lee, you make sure you come out with for your upside down cross. You never see the shirt, it have an upside down cross on it. The whole of you decoy. You know what you do. The only thing why I can't agree with the one down a Moby name Britain. The gaffer true, she bad mind for truth. If you call up spade a spade. That what she did was bad mind. And also you deal with things even if you have an issue around that. But then again, them will not have a shape the narrative in a young people in a Jamaica. They are the ones who everybody must see as Rosalie. Are you people if you come see as role model. Nobody remember where you come from pan social media. Even as a little sister in where yeah, we did say you're big enough here and yeah, do your thing. The whole of you sell no soul to the devil because of the things you sit down on that app and do a daytime and go on like say nobody not see it. And most importantly, you go on like say God not seeing. You know if you leave Jamaica, if you don't hate Jamaica so much, leave Jamaica no. If you don't hate Jamaica so much and not care about how young people them live and how young people them operate, just leave the country. Don't change your identity. Do like the little girl we're married to the big mouth athlete boy where they engage now. Do like she. Cuss on the country and turn on the back and go on. You understand? The whole I want to choose money over God. Jamaica people never used to frighten over money. Jamaica people never used to go on like money or nothing. We are the feisty set of people then. When we don't have nothing, we wall it. We wall out. We know how to wall out. We know how to work and do what we look what we have to do. Jamaica people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people, original Jamaican people no beg. Because you no kill them out. You see the government and the opposition, them have figure a world court. Them figure world court for the genocide against original Jamaican people. You no kill out the real inhabitants of the island and take away the island and raise up the demon them where you raise up as Jamaicans and them you no call Jamaican. You no kill out the real Jamaican them. You no kill them out and sodomize them out. You no sodomize them out and I try force them to accept say them as sodomite. Them are not sodomite. Them never believe in them something. They are forced. You no force them. I rape them and I force them. You see that paper here? As me I talk about rape. I see in place here so me sit down and talk about my father rape. And see it here? Then finally come find me and send court papers. You think me afraid? Me not afraid because he rape me for true. He rape me for true. He rape me for true. And me go court. And me go sit down in a court and me go talk what happened for true. You understand what I say? Because the time come now for we stop afraid of predators in this island and people where are with children them and turn them in a advocates. After you rape with kids them and sodomize them, you no come and take them and turn them in a advocates too. Yes, Derek Morgan, yeah, your son them. Yes, me get the papers. Me not follow no protocols of law neither, because me don't know nothing about law. Me just about to go look into it, you know. But as me attack and I write so me sit down, me make sure put the writer so from yesterday, because I so me sit down and talk the truth. Me not afraid of the devil. Me will never be afraid of the devil. Me not plan for afraid of the devil. No dear. And no one no have no big secret where them a come drop on me because me didn't want me to become and I me if you come be the queen for rebel them and TC them. Rebel them and TC them a goddess. As they want turn them in and want them to believe so them are not nothing. And them for just walk and whine out and skin out themselves and them are left. The people them who been hurting in this island for stop hurt. Stop make these people and make no hurt. My father wrong for do what him do to me. Because him was supposed to be the one when me supposed to could have go lean pan and go say, Daddy, you know say them thing you reach me and them thing you happen to me. The funny thing about that, me did tell him those things already where did happen to me before me meet him. And he did only see me as somebody when could have be pray upon cause him never see me as him daughter. And that is why him could have do me. Blind is no excuse. None of them something no excuse. That no mean to say you're not strong. That means say you not have strength. He did what he do that night. And now that them me get the court paper, yes, American court them Morgan, me want to know if you know, yeah. Me get the court paper them and my heart no leap and me not afraid, me ready. Figure out court and go talk my side and make Derek Morgan come talk Fim side. Cause if you notice, that's why they go for the little transgender my demon sin thing down the Swiiss Lee and Romeich take put up in a hotel. I come try use Jamaica for sensitize, for desensitize Jamaica to us. We're moving up. I'm telling you something, man. It not gonna work. It not gonna work down here. We're standing up and we're standing up against the devil and we're not hiding. We're not putting anything behind no closed doors. We attack how we go. We not run from uno no more. Andrew all this Mark Golden uno illegal upon the island. Uno illegal upon the island. And we're gonna take actions against uno because Uno been taking actions against we. And the actions that we are going to take is we're not going to shed no blood this time. We are going to stand up and make uno know so we don't want to know no more, boy. We don't want to know no more. We're tired for we pity them suffer. Oh, we get so much in a Jamaica. Oh, we have so much youth in a Jamaica. Where them come from? How them become so proud within the last 5 years or so. We have so much youth in a Jamaica. We're willing to stand up and talk so then I'm proud. How come? How come? How come? But you don't like if me go on one side, go hide down. You don't like if me the one side I cry down. You don't like if me the one side I sell out. You no soon see who I sell out, man. The whole of them name when me call, me not take back nothing. When me say about none of them, the whole of them are selling out. And I come in front of no face and I want to tell you, say I sell them, I selling out. Them are selling out. And I want to tell you now, Sean, 9K pong Sean, 9K pong 9 life. Line up yourself because when we go live again, we are going live to talk some real raw truth about this island here and what really are going down here. Because guess what? You say if Queen Ifrica got dead, at this me want dead for. Me no want dead for no foolishness. Me want dead for turn up and tell some people say Jamaica never was a slave country. Jamaica was a free country. I don't want to take away freedom and give it to Satan. We don't want to give Jamaica to Satan and we're not having it. Romeich, fire burn you anywhere you're there in a Bali youth. And me I tell you, say you see if you don't allow Jamaica and stop that something there where you come bright up yourself and I come make it look like you are the biggest Sodomite boy and you are the Sodomite ambassador boy and nobody can tell you nothing and nobody can talk to you and you don't care when nobody say because Uno says and I want to say this and I want to say that. A Saddam against Saddam, you know, a GLP set a Sodomite versus PNP set a Sodomite go on in front of no face. And that you know here. That's why I tell you to say, because I give thanks to Jamaica people, because I open their mind and I open them eye, because them a see for themselves, say something wrong with a picture where them a paint boy, but they can't put them finger upon it. Well, we are going to help enough to put no finger upon it. And I just want to say again, no time that they hide not no more in other island, yeah. Easy. You see, Romeich, them a boss. Or they can get a be sheep, them a get a man. Then take away young people, they made man. But we are got no worry on yourself, young people. We are work on something for help you, no man. They nah get to no fi do that too, no fi rest out no life, man. You're mad, man. Move back, Romeich. Move back, Romeich. Move back, youth. I want to tell you. The Indian in a fool you. You're tired, you know. Oh, okay. You're tired, you know. And that's why you bad, so. You're bad Indian. And when this happened to the Indian, man, you're a mix of the Indian them in a Romeich. I want to tell you, youth. Long time I watch you, and I know it did up to no good out the gate. I always know say you did up to no good. You no love Jamaican people, you see them as slave and money bag. So no take over the industry. Yeah, the private sector. The new slave master is the private sector. Yeah, man. The new slave master, the private sector. So them a get chat and lock down everything. But we culture lock down. Everything about who we are as a people lock down. A beer that might run the ground. Beer that might run up on people on TikTok and chuck them off in the water. Some little youth we attack so now might and a bad with it. Let me tell you something about it, man. I don't want nice thing. You see, if somebody bless you, my lord, against your will, it's not a nice thing. I don't know no youth will get up and I say them in a Jamaica, just out, I just get up. So something go on. So I just want to say to the whole of them youth that we have experienced them trauma there. Just turn to God, man. Just turn to God. Talk ball to God, boy, what go on. Don't let the devil in your heart as well. Because if somebody you and you let the devil in your heart as well, that's how you're going to become the kind of monster them will now become you now. How we have so much youth in the inner city them? You think that me can come get up and burn out them youth when me know say some man sodomize them just despite them because them a Jamaican youth and not believe in them thing there. And the leaders them in a music where it's supposed to stand up and continue to defend them, Bojo, saying them sell them out and gone with the same sada week them will cause them things if you reach you them. You see what I say, my lord? At that reach we down here, you know. The whole of the gatekeeper them. Sit down in the gate and eat KFC. Hey, low sat. You think you can come be a leader for Queen Ifrica down here? I don't know about nobody else. But you low sat. Any day you become leader in Jamaica, me not live here no more. You hear that? You all want to come and decide, say, I know a wings in the devil. I know a wings in the devil, don't. So no go, no sit them out, no parade in front of the people and I make the people them know, say, yeah, we are wings in the devil, boy, yeah. And none of no can do nothing about it, because a long time the devil a look for some strength in a Jamaica for wings it. But nobody never to appear, a devil no mind. So no make sure, so no get rid of the real warriors, them we used to say, them a fight for God, and say, them a fight for culture. But when you take a stock, look where them a big up. Look what kind of new trends in a KFC? I want somebody tell me, what are the new trends where you get out of KFC? Seeing with the big old soda, the big old bread, the big old cake, the big everything at debt. But yet still, you have the health minister where say, yeah man, don't worry yourself, we have diabetes medicine for you. We have new eye for you, we have new foot for you. Jamaica people, we never used to love with belly, man. We never used to love with belly. Nobody couldn't ramp with belly, Jamaica people. I trick the eye them. You hear that? I trick the eye them and want the eye them for us become subservients. Yes, so I say, and consumers, Jamaica.
This story. Talk about Protoje's latest release. He just dropped his new EP, The Jamaican Situation, Side A, along with a music video for Barrel Bun. The music tackles real issues in Jamaica: poverty, violence, and a system that feels unfair. Protege speaks to the struggles that many Jamaicans face daily, but he also emphasizes that we all have choices to make, even in the toughest circumstances. The lyrics are powerful, touching on the helplessness people feel, but reminding us that every choice matters. If you've heard the new tracks, what do you think? Do they reflect the current situation in Jamaica? As always, I love hearing your thoughts. Which topic resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss.